welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show this My Little Pony surprise egg. So let's get to the video. So this is My Little Pony surprises. Let's just open it real quick. Oh, oops. Whoa, whoa, this things are awesome. Whoa, so we've got this little leaflet thing, we've got this as well, and this, stickers. Oh my god, I think I have to go soon anyway, even though it's been a couple of seconds. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up. And if you want to get these eggs, I just got them now, so yeah. So I got these in Tesco. So this is from Tesco. So I've got to go now, so subscribe to my channel if you did give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!